Welcome to Maths Basics. You are asked which is correct when you have 4 divided by 8, everything over 2 times 4. Is the answer equal to 1? Is it equal to 1 over 4? Is it equal to 1 over 16 or 4? So clearly, 4 divided by 8 is a half. 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8. So the denominator is 8 and the numerator is half. So clearly A is not part of our solution, and even in B, let us check whether it is C or D. So we have half divided by 80 over 1. Remember, this over can be written as divided by. So when you are dividing, you can multiply with the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 80 over 1 will be 1 over 8. So that now we change the division into multiplication. So we shall have half multiplied by 1 over 8, which is equal to 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 8 is 16. So from the given possible solution, we see that 1 cannot be the answer, although it was given there as a distractor. B, which is a quarter, is also not part of our solution, and even if 4 is not part of our solution, and the answer which is correct is 1 over 16, whereby we have first of all simplified the numerator, which is 4 divided by 8, and we have found it is a half. The denominator is 2 times 4, which is 8. Half divided by 8 is 16. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. For more such learning, join my channel so that we may learn together. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe so that whenever there is a new release, you will be notified. May I know also if you have any other approach which you can use to simplify this nice question. Bye. See you.